is Anthony James. I'm a split appointment in the departments of microbiology, molecular biology, and then molecular biology and biochemistry here at the University of California, Irvine. My laboratory works to develop answers to the simple question of whether or not genetics has anything to contribute to the control of vector-borne diseases. In our particular case, we're interested in mosquito-borne diseases, malaria and dengue fever. Malaria is the largest vector-borne disease in terms of human mortality. It kills one person about every 20 to 30 seconds, averaged over a year. Dengue virus isn't quite as significant in terms of human mortality, but as a major public health problem affecting nearly half the world's, potentially affecting nearly half the world's population, with some 50,000, 100,000 cases a year in the tropical areas. Current approaches for controlling vector-borne diseases, specifically malaria and dengue viruses, are focused on control of the vector through the use of insecticides or reduction of larval and reproductive habitats. In the case of malaria, the use of therapeutic and prophylactic drugs and control measures that prevent access of people to mosquitoes. That includes the use of bed nets and other personal protective measures that prevent the mosquitoes from gaining access to the people. So we asked the question,